Happy Thursday, ladies and gents. We're going to start off the day with a congratulations. You've almost made it through the day. But no, seriously, I kind of bought this cheap eBay MAF sensor. It works, it's okay. Not really where I'm trusting right now. I'd much rather trust it as a spare rather than being on the car. So we're going to swap this out, and then I think we're going to go through and start cleaning up the engine bay, making it look a little better. Kind of get rid of this kind of hose deal, get the oil catch can on, find somewhere nice for it to sit. It used to sit back here. I don't know if I really want the hoses running all the way back there, but we'll see how it looks and how everything works out. You need to polish up the intercooler piping up here. We're in get close mode. About the end of August, we got all of September. At this point, I'm thinking there's going to be no drifting at RPM this year, which really sucks. Maybe I can scrounge up enough money. We can head 4.5 hours south and head to Kansas City. But I'm going to be in prep mode for Ice Cream Cruise. Get this thing looking good for there. I really want a vent. You can see mine broke. Really want to get a vent. So if somebody has one, let me know, or know where I can get one. I don't really want an LRB one. So, and maybe we'll get the dash out and we'll flop that too. I don't know yet. We're going to start here. I just want to make it look as good as possible. Kind of clean it up a little bit. So let's swap that MAF out first. Alright, now these are some of those stupid bits. The one that have the hole in the middle. The Torx with the hole. So, just unplugged here first. Do not lose these ones because I do not have this size. I'll guarantee you that. And yeah, just like I said, just one of the cheap ones I got from eBay. Works, but not what I want to keep on here. Kind of forgot I actually had a whole new housing, so I don't really want to take that off, so we're just going to take it back off this one. Back in there. Like so. I'm using the screws that I came with the OEM one, other than the ones that came from eBay. These ones actually have lock washers and stuff on them. And this was in a box. It wasn't just, kind of hanging out in there, so. Alright, so now I'm interested. I went to put that other one in the OEM housing, and the eBay one's too long for the OEM housing. So I'm wondering if anything's going to change with this. Yeah, so I don't think anything would have changed, but let's fire her up. See if any AFRs or anything like that go crazy. Man, that would suck, because I just set it for that other one. I'll probably put that other one back in if something goes wonky. Gotta let it get to open loop before we check anything out. Alright, well, I let it run a bit, and I ended up putting the eBay one back on, just because I didn't want to screw with fuel pressure and all that stuff anymore. When I put it on, it was kind of all wonky and crazy. Nothing really wanted to set how it was, and a lot of that could have been, you know, they're still using this eBay style housing, so it didn't really fit in there as tight as this one does. So what I want to do now is I want to clean this up, but I don't really know how to run that vacuum line without seeing it. But I am going to come over here, and I'm going to try to hide that neon fucking bright yellow one. Don't know how yet, but we'll figure it out, right? We'll figure it out together. I think I'll run it just up there. Just try to hide it a little bit, I guess. Man, I want to put that catch can back in, but don't really want those big hoses running through the back. But I want to see. I'm going to open up this catch can here. I've let it on a while. I'm going to open this up and see what's coming out or into there. See what's going on here. Alright, well, I got her off. Don't know, it's been on there a while. It's dry as a bone. So I suppose we gotta find a spot for it. I had it, you know, right here. The hose is running up through there. And, you know, this side over here is pretty busy. And I think I might just run her right back where she was. I don't want to do that. Alright, I don't know, guys. I don't know if that's where I want to do it. If that's where I want to put it. It's, I don't know. Let me know where you guys put yours. Put a picture down below or link me to your YouTube or anything like that. I'd be interested to see where the best place for these are. But yeah, I want to clean this wiring up here somehow. I don't know how yet. I don't know if I'll get a panel or something made here. Kind of hide it a little bit, I guess. I don't know. Just a mess in here, I guess. Pretty gnarly looking. Anyways, yeah, I don't know. It's one of those projects that doing this is going to take a while. I don't know exactly what I want to do yet. The interior I want to clean up a lot. I'm not a fan of how the interior looks. I don't know. I think at this point I'm just kind of getting bored. I wish I was out beating on it and drifting. So, and I want to do, I'm sure you guys watch Hyperdrive. I want to do pink inlet here. And I think I know how I'm going to do it. So that's definitely a video coming really soon. I did buy some LED coming, so we'll get that done. And I think that'll look pretty cool. But yeah, in here I definitely want to clean up. Maybe I'll get rid of that red and put the black back on. I don't know. I'm just kind of losing it. You guys let me know what you guys think, and we'll go from there. So evidently, clearly, one of our eBay reviews is working. That math sensor is working really nice. I'm liking it quite a bit. I think another big step we're doing this winter is I want some 3-piece wheels. I always put it behind me, and I think I'm ready. I want some SSR Vienna Courage wheels. Pretty fierce, pretty bad. These, you know, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for some wheels. They're nothing fancy, but nobody hates free wheels, right? Let me know if you're interested in something like that. Way shorter video, way kind of lame. I didn't really do much. I tried to, I guess, and it failed. So I ended up putting the eBay one back on. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think I need to do to this to get it ready. I really want to do a cut and buff. It's a really long process, but Brittany did say she'd help me, so I think that'll turn out really nice. I want to get these polished real nice. One thing I do have to do is I adjusted that booster rod for the brake pedal, and I think I adjusted it too much, too much, because the handbrake feels a little loose now. So I need to tighten that up a little bit, and I'll do that. Really, I probably won't do that on camera, but I can kind of show you guys how I did it. I think that's in a past review, or past video, but not that hard to do. Yeah. Sorry for the crap video, guys. Just kind of want to keep touching base with you guys. Like I said, this is a channel where it's kind of going to be, you know, not every video is going to be crazy and fancy and awesome. You know, this is a regular guy garage. This isn't a hey, I bought a car, I built a car. Next week, guess what? I'm gonna buy a car and build that one too. As much as I wish I could, that's just not gonna cut it for me. Oh, you know what? That's something we got. We're gonna rebuild this power steering rack. It's a great video. I've never done one, so you'll learn with me, and it'll be a great video to have online. I know a lot of people do it. A lot of people want it. Racks are hard to find for these. That's one of the first things I did when I first bought it. Was the rack was leaking pretty bad. So we'll fix that, and then make it look good. So, but anyways, I digress. I'm rambling. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Keep on sliding.